so now we're on the back, and now we realize that there are variables on both sides. So now your first goal is to get all the x's on one side before we start solving for x. So I have 3x and 2x. So I have to actually move the 2x over to the other side, or the 3x over to the other side. Now, here is my trick to you, Stephen. Try to move the smaller of the x's so you don't end up with negative numbers. So the smaller one. So which one's going to be smaller, the 3x or the 2x? 2x. So that's the one I'm going to move. But I'm going to move it as a group. So I'm going to draw my bars. I want to move it as a group. So what I do is I go minus 2x minus 2x. Write this down. Focus. So what I do is I'm going to take the 2x and I'm going to move it to the other side. First thing is to get x by the x's together. So what is 3x minus 2x? 1x is equal to, now what's left over on this side? 50. Am I done? Okay, what do I have to do? Okay, well if I divide by 1, what do I end up getting? The same. So did I really have to divide by 1? No, if you have a 1x, you're done. Okay, so that's the whole thing. You want to move it. Now, let's look at number 5. Number 5 is a little different. Number 5 is a little different. It's a little bit longer, right? So, first thing, when you read an equation and it has x's on both sides, your first thing is to move the x's together. So you have 7x on one side and 3x on the other side. So, which set do I want to move? Do I want to move the 7x or do I want to move the 3x? 3x. You want to move the smaller one. If you move the 7x, you end up with a negative number, and no one wants to deal with negative numbers. So, how am I going to move the 3x together? Subtract 3x, subtract 3x. This is called like simplifying. You're not solving it yet, you're simplifying it. So what is 7x minus 3x? Okay, so I'm left with 4x. Anything else on this side? Yeah, plus 10 equals, right? Because I didn't do anything with this 10, so it just drops down. What's left on this side? 120. Now, just like we've been doing last week, now you can solve it like regular. Go ahead and solve it like regular. I'm going to get a remainder, huh?
Yeah.
It equals a decimal, but it's a pretty easy decimal, right? 27.5. Let's do number 7. Let's do number 7 together. Let's do number 7 together. So, do I want to move the 6x or the 2x on number 7? 2x. You want to move the smaller one. So how am I going to move 2x together? I'm going to minus 2x. Oh, good. Okay, so make sure you minus 2x. On number 7, minus 2x minus 2x. What's 6x minus 2x? 4x plus, don't forget to bring this down, 16 equals 28. Now you can solve it like usual. 28 minus 16. What's 28 minus 16? What is it? Good. What is x equal to? 3. So, we're okay with this? It's these are called multi-step equations with x's on both sides. So this would be 7th grade advanced 7th grade math right here. Just try your best. It's not very difficult. Okay.